Hi everyone, I am Abhinav, an engineer, futuristic thinker, AI consultant, and educator. Today this is gonna blow your mind. Human history is a fantastic story of problem solving. Think about it. From our earliest ancestors learning to use tools, we have constantly been inventing our way to a better, easier life. This journey is marked by huge leaps we call revolutions. The agricultural revolution allowed us to settle down and grow food, changing society forever. Then came the Industrial Revolution, where machines began to do the heavy lifting for us. More recently, the Information Technology Revolution connected the entire world with computers and the internet. Each step was about using our brains to overcome a challenge, making our lives more efficient and expanding what's possible for humankind. Now, we are in the middle of the next great leap, the Artificial Intelligence Revolution. So, what is this artificial intelligence or AI? It might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's already all around us. In simple terms, AI is about creating computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes things like learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing objects, and making decisions. You've probably used it today without even realizing it. When you ask Alexa or Siri for the weather, that's AI. When your favorite streaming service recommends a new show you might love, that's AI working behind the scenes. It's not about building a walking, talking robot companion just yet. It's about making our technology smarter and more helpful. The idea of intelligent machines isn't new. It's a dream we've had for centuries. But the real scientific journey began in the mid-20th century. A brilliant mathematician named Alan Turing proposed a test, now called the Turing test, to see if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. A few years later, in 1956, a group of scientists gathered at the Dartmouth conference and officially coined the term artificial intelligence. They were incredibly optimistic, believing they could create thinking machines in just a few years. It turned out to be much, much harder than they imagined, leading to periods called AI winters where funding and interest dried up because progress was so slow. But science, as you know, keeps going. The dream was reignited by major breakthroughs. In 1997, a chess-playing computer named Deep Blue, developed by IBM, defeated the world chess champion, Garry Kasparov. This was a huge moment, showing that a machine could master a game of complex strategy. Fast forward to 2016, when Google DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated the world's best Go player, Lee Sedol. This was even more impressive because Go has vastly more possible moves than chess, requiring intuition-like capabilities. Today, we have generative AI models like ChatGPT that can write essays, create art, and hold conversations, marking another incredible milestone in this ongoing revolution. Consider the science. To understand how AI works, we need to look at its core building blocks. The big idea that powers most modern AI is machine learning. Instead of programming a computer with a huge set of rigid rules, we design it to learn from data. Imagine trying to teach a computer to recognize a cat. The old way would be to write code describing cats. Has fur, has pointy ears, has whiskers. But what about a cat without fur, or one with floppy ears? It gets complicated fast. With machine learning, we simply showed the computer thousands of pictures labeled cat. The machine analyzes them and figures out the patterns on its own, learning what makes a cat a cat. A powerful type of machine learning is called deep learning, which is inspired by the structure of the human brain. Our brains are made of billions of neurons connected in a vast network. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks with many layers, that's the deep part, to process information in a more sophisticated way. This is what allows AI to perform incredibly complex tasks. These powerful models can be categorized. Discriminative models are like judges. They classify data, like deciding if an email is spam or not. Generative models, like the ones that power ChatGPT, are creators. They generate new content like text, images, or music. Then you have agentic models, which can take actions to achieve a goal. All of this is made possible by a few key technologies that you should know. Computer vision is what gives machines eyes. It's the technology that allows self-driving cars to see pedestrians and road signs, or your phone to recognize your face to unlock itself. It processes and understands visual information from the world, just like our own eyes and brain do. Another crucial piece is natural language processing, or NLP. This is what gives machines the ability to understand and respond to human language, both written and spoken. It's the magic behind digital assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. and the reason you can talk to a chatbot and get a helpful answer. These technologies are the ingredients and AI models are the recipes. For instance, a hybrid model might combine a generative part to brainstorm ideas with a discriminative part to fact-check them, creating a more robust and reliable system. The evolution from simple rule-based systems to these complex learning models is what has unlocked the current AI boom. It's not just about more powerful computers, it's about smarter, more brain-like ways of processing information. This shift allows AI to move beyond simple, repetitive tasks and start tackling problems that require a semblance of creativity, understanding, and adaptation. It's a whole new way of thinking about computation. You might be surprised how deeply AI has already woven itself into the fabric of our world. Let's look at a few industries. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. Machine learning models can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRI scans to spot signs of cancer that might be missed by the human eye. They can also predict which patients are at high risk for certain conditions, allowing for preventative care. In finance, AI algorithms are working around the clock to detect fraudulent transactions, protecting your bank account from thieves. They also help financial advisors make smarter investment decisions by analyzing vast amounts of market data in seconds. Even the world of education is being transformed. AI tutors can provide personalized learning experiences for students, adapting to their individual pace and style. If a student is struggling with algebra, an AI program can offer extra practice problems and targeted explanations until they master the concept. This frees up teachers to focus on more creative and collaborative activities in the classroom. And think about entertainment. The movie recommendations on your streaming service, the custom playlists on your music app, and even the challenging opponents you face in video games are all powered by sophisticated AI systems designed to make your experience more engaging and enjoyable. A big change we are seeing is the shift from old-style automation to new AI-powered automation. Traditional automation was great for repetitive physical tasks on an assembly line. Think of a robotic arm that welds the same car part thousands of times a day. It follows a strict set of pre-programmed instructions and cannot deviate. If something unexpected happens, it stops. AI automation, however, is different. It's designed to handle tasks that are more cognitive and less predictable, tasks that once required a human touch. It can read and understand documents, summarize reports, write emails, and even engage in customer service chats. This new form of automation learns and adapts. It can handle variability. For example, an old system might only be able to process invoices if they are all in the exact same format. An AI-powered system, using computer vision and NLP, can read and extract information from invoices in dozens of different layouts, just like a person would. This is a monumental shift. We're not just automating manual labor anymore, we're automating cognitive labor. This doesn't mean humans are becoming obsolete. It means we have more powerful tools to help us with the tedious parts of our jobs, so we can focus on the things that require uniquely human skills, creativity, critical thinking, and empathy. So, how do we interact with these powerful new systems? One of the most important skills emerging in this new era is prompt engineering. That might sound technical, but it's actually quite simple. It's the art and science of asking questions and giving instructions to an AI to get the best possible result. Think of it like talking to a very smart, very literal assistant. If you give vague instructions, you'll get a vague answer. But if you are clear, specific, and provide context, the AI can give you exactly what you need. For example, instead of asking, "Write about dogs," you could prompt, "Write a 100-word paragraph for a 5th grader explaining why golden retrievers make great family pets." See the difference? This skill is changing how we work. AI is becoming integrated into our daily workflows as a helpful partner. A marketing professional might use an AI tool to brainstorm slogans for a new product. A software developer might ask an AI to help write or debug a piece of code, saving hours of frustrating work. A researcher could use AI to summarize dozens of long scientific papers, quickly identifying the most relevant information. AI tools are being built directly into the software we use every day, from word processors that help you write more clearly to email programs that can draft replies for you. It's like having a superpowered intern ready to help at a moment's notice. The next evolution of this partnership is the rise of AI agents. Think of an agent as a digital coworker that you can delegate tasks to. It's more than just a chatbot. an agent can take action on your behalf across different applications. For example, you could tell your AI agent, find the 3 best-rated Italian restaurants near me that are open now, book a table for 2 at 7 p.m. at the one with the best pasta reviews, and send a calendar invitation to my friend. The agent would then browse the web, read reviews, interact with the booking system, and use your calendar app to complete the entire task without any further input from you. This journey, from our ancestors first chipping away at stone to us conversing with digital agents, is one continuous story of human ingenuity. Each scientific revolution built upon the last, giving us tools to reshape our world and extend our own capabilities. The AI revolution is not just about creating intelligent machines, it's about augmenting human intelligence. It's about giving ourselves superpowers to solve bigger problems, from curing diseases to exploring the cosmos. The path from Darwin to digital assistants shows that our greatest invention has always been our ability to invent. And that, my friends, is what science is all about. Looking at the world, asking questions, and building a better future. If you found this useful, please like, comment, and share for more educational videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson.